Go inside the box. You're gonna use the seat belt. You know, we just bring it all the way out. Sometimes it might be like this, so just bring it all the way up, right there, and then just let it hang out the window. Just bring the window all the way down. I think this one doesn't go down no more. That's it. So just let it hang right there like this, just like that. Because we're gonna be I'm gonna be hooking my strap over here. The hook from the strap is gonna go right there. You'll see. So we're going to do the same on the other side. Yep, just like that. Let it hang just like that. Now I'm going here. I'm gonna put my hook. Damn. Okay, not a big deal. Not a big deal. I'm a little smart here, so we're gonna do this. Double check. Nope, it doesn't fit. All right, so I'm gonna do this. See how I'm making it look there? Put my strap right there, just like that. Now get it tight. Look at that. That's nice. So with that, now put your strap out the window, just like that. That's good. So we're gonna be doing the same on this side here, like that. Okay, got it right there. Let's go around. Let's see, hopefully I'm not too short to get up there. Oh no, perfect. Look, so it's right there. Just be careful with that window there. So I'm gonna let it hang right there. Just like that. You can put a rag under here so you don't scratch the body on the bus. But we're just gonna go like this. Alright, you see that? So that's good enough. I'll put it around one more time. Now, take my bungee cords and just go under here somewhere. See what we got. See? Do the other side right there too. Good. So let me show you what I did here. It's not just throwing the belt out the window. It's the way you gotta position it too. See that? See how I got the hook like up right there? I want you to see that. Because if you put this hook down, then you're gonna be hitting the glass here. You're gonna be hitting the glass right there, so that's not good. So we want it just like that. Let's check the other side real quick. Right there.